Did you know that kanda or cow skin is very, very versatile? If you didn't, then now you do. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some peppered kanda or peppered cow skin. It's going to be very easy. In a blender, we're just going to add some tomatoes. I used 3 tomatoes and 2 bell peppers. I'm using the red bell peppers. Then I have here some scotch bonnet peppers, some garlic, ginger, onions, and some parsley. Then about half a teaspoon of white pepper. Just add a bit of water in the blender to facilitate the blending process and blend everything until smooth. Then in a clean pot, add in your oil, heat your oil, and just drop a little bit of salt and go in with some spring onions. So I stir fried my spring onions, then I added in my blended mix, that is my blended peppers and tomatoes. Stir fry and allow to cook. Now once your water is almost dried up, go in with your tomato paste. I added a tablespoon of tomato paste. Then I went in with my homemade green seasoning. Stir and allow to simmer until all the water dries up and you see the oil settling on top. Now taste and adjust your seasoning if need be. I went ahead to add a tablespoon of crayfish. Now, for those of you using store-bought seasoning cubes, you can use Maggi crevette. Now, allow to cook for a few minutes. As you can see, I'm having a lot of stew here, so I'm dishing out part of it. I'll be using that for something else, maybe to make some little jollof rice with it. So add in your kanda or your kpomo or cow skin, give it a good stir, add in a little bit of salt and allow to simmer. Now we need to cook this on low heat so to enable our kanda to absorb all the goodness that is found in that stew. You know, it needs to absorb everything. All right. Now, just a quick reminder, always make sure that your kanda is thoroughly washed and cooked until tender. Kanda is usually very, very tough, so it needs to be cooked beforehand. So it's been cooking nicely and it's almost ready. I just went ahead and added some sliced onions and some spring onions. Give it a good stir and allow to cook for about 1 minute, just 1 minute, and then we are good to go. And it's time to serve, to serve and enjoy. Now, like I said, you can use your kanda to pair it with lots and lots of dishes. Now hang on and see what I did or what I used to accompany this lovely kanda. I quickly made some fufu corn. I mean, I've got lots of videos showing you how to cook a perfect fufu corn. All right, so I just quickly made some fufu. This was lovely. One of the perfectly made fufu corn you will find. So yes, my fufu is ready. I just went ahead to wrap it in my plastic wraps because I couldn't place my hands on banana leaves, so I made do with what I had. So just go ahead and wrap that quickly and set it aside. Then I went on to make some little jama. For those who know jama, or if you do not know what jama is, it's just huckleberry or vegetables. I added it into some stir fried tomatoes. I fried my tomatoes and onions in palm oil and I, added my vegetables, mixed everything nicely until well combined, and voila, that was it. It's very easy. I've got a couple of videos also showing you how to saute your jama or how to saute your huckleberries. All right, so yes, everything is ready. Just add some salt, you know, taste and adjust the seasoning as however you want it, as desired. And then we are plating our fufu and jama with some kanda on the side, some peppered kanda. Like I said earlier, you can use this peppered kanda, you can pair it with some fried plantain, roasted plantain, some roasted yam. You can even use this to sandwich bread. Yes, it's one of our street foods in Cameroon. Bread and kanda is lovely, it's delicious. Now, thank you so much for watching. This is what we made. This is how we enjoyed this special kanda. I still have some leftovers and I might show you what I did with that. All right. So yeah, this was delicious. It was lovely. We've come to the end of our video. I love you all and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Thank you all for watching and let's stay connected and remember to share some love to people out there. It doesn't matter who they are. It doesn't matter what they've done to you. Just give them a bit of love. Bye.